In today's video, I'm going to teach you Appstle Subscriptions Shopify app tutorial for beginners. By the end, you'll know how to find the Appstle Subscriptions app in Shopify, install it correctly, and get familiar with the essential sections you'll use to launch and manage subscriptions. Start by opening your Shopify admin. Make sure you're logged in with a staff account that has permission to install apps. From your dashboard, head to Apps, and choose the option to add a new app. This opens the connection to the Shopify App Store, where you can browse and install trusted tools. In the App Store, use the search bar and begin typing Appstle Subscriptions. You should see the official Appstle SM Subscriptions app appear in the results. Click the listing to open the app page, then select Install. Shopify will show you a permissions screen. Review what the app needs to function and confirm the installation. If prompted, follow any on-screen steps to complete setup so the app can connect to your store properly. Once installed, the app's onboarding takes you through its core areas. Begin with subscription plans. This is where you define the subscription options your customers will see, such as delivery frequencies like weekly or monthly, and any discounts for subscribing. Keep your offerings simple at first. You can always refine intervals and pricing as you learn what your customers prefer. Move into the subscriptions section to see and manage live subscriber orders once they start coming in. This is your operations hub for reviewing upcoming renewals, customer changes, and payment statuses. Next, open the subscription widget settings. This controls how the subscribe and save options display on your product pages. Customize the text, colors, and placement to match your theme. Save your changes and preview a product page to confirm the widget is clear and easy to use. Head to the customer portal area to fine-tune what shoppers can manage on their own, like pausing, skipping, or swapping products. Empowering customers to self-serve reduces support tickets and increases retention. Check out cross-sell and upsell to create offers that pair well with subscriptions. Thoughtful add-ons can increase average order value without adding friction. Explore Build-A-Box if you plan to offer curated or mix-and-match subscription bundles. Set your rules, such as minimum items per box, to streamline fulfillment and customer choice. Finally, choose View More to discover additional tools, tutorials, and support resources within Appstle. If you get stuck, use their documentation or reach out to support for guidance. That's it. Your store is now set up to offer subscriptions with Appstle. Save your settings, test with a sample product, and you're ready to start selling.